Welcome to another Vellum tutorial. Today we'll be talking about how to use parts to add structure to your book. Each part will begin with an introductory page and will appear as a group in your book's table of contents. To collect a set of chapters into a part, first select them in Vellum's Navigator. You can select multiple chapters in the Navigator by selecting the first chapter in a part and then holding down the Shift key as you select the last. With your chapter selected, go to the main chapter menu and select Create Part from Selection. When you do this, Vellum will add introductory pages to each part of your book. You will find the structure you create with parts mirrored in your book's table of contents, with chapters listed within their respective parts. If you'd rather only list parts here, you can do so in the settings for your table of contents. There, uncheck List Chapters Within Parts. By default, chapter numbers will continue across the parts in your book. If Part 1 ends with Chapter 5, Part 2 will begin with Chapter 6. If you'd like numbering to reset at each part, you can use the numbering settings to change this. To do this, go to the main chapter menu and select Numbering. In the pop-up that appears, check Parts. After we press Done, you'll see that the chapters within each part have been renumbered. You might prefer to use a different word, like section, for the parts of your book. To make this change, return to the main chapter menu and select Terminology. There you'll be able to specify a different word to use for your book's parts. You may find a situation where a chapter is misplaced and shows an unexpected chapter number. In this case, the selected chapter is not properly nested within Part 2, so it is incorrectly numbered as Chapter 1. You can correct this by adding the misplaced chapter to Part 2. To do that, hold down the Control key and click on the misplaced chapter in the Navigator. In the menu that appears, select Add to Part 2. With the chapter properly nested within the part, the numbering will be correct. When setting up parts, it's possible to accidentally place one part within another. If you do this, you may find unexpected numbering for the part and for the chapters inside. In this example, the selected part was inadvertently nested within Part 2, so it is incorrectly numbered as Part 1. You can correct this by moving the misplaced part out of Part 2 and to the top level of the book. To do that, hold down the Control key and click to open the menu for the part. From this menu, select Extract from Part 2. With the part properly positioned, the numbering will be correct. Congratulations! You've added structure to your book using parts. If you have questions, feel free to contact Vellum support. The best way to do this is by going to the main Help menu and selecting Contact Vellum support.